Hello, in this video I will show you how to cancel repeating manual journal. First of all, where to find manual journals. You can either go to Accounting tab, look at the drop down and find the manual journals on the drop down below. If you don't see it, it's probably you have to add it as the shortcut. So let's go to Advanced and Accounting tab. And on the left hand side you will be able to see that manual journals. By clicking and unticking the star, you'll be able to add it or remove it from the drop-down list. So let's now have a look at the repeating manual journals that we have. There could be interest earned, it could be depreciation, it could be various different repeating journals that you need to post. Typically, those manual journals are set up by your accountant. So in this case, I have depreciation journal set up for every single month for 1,000 for the car, and if I need to remove it completely, and I click on the journal itself and then just simply click delete, and this will delete all future postings of that particular journal in the future. So this is how you remove the repeating journals before the end date. And now if we go to repeating, there are no more journals to be displayed. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Any comments, post them below the video.